Shalom, healthy greeting to all of us. Introduce. My name is Yusan Sasaka, name 21 14 20 10 10 class A1 TIS Campus Development Indonesian Manado. I will present a short material about hospital units where this material is preparing to meet the final exam of the English semester. About name the hospital unit, name a specialist, 10 mention the duties of a special doctor. A. Medicam unit. The function of the polyclinic is to provide equipment and medicines and medical equipment needed for the smooth running of health service. The air and room are both used to treat patients in emergent condition and need immediate. The operating room is a special unit the hospital that functions as a crisis service area that prioritizes aspect of the sterile zoning. Here, Clay Laboratory is the health laboratory that carries out clinical specimen examination on surface to obtain information about individual health, especially to support effort to diagnose disease, cure disease, and restore health. Patient unit. Medical records are used as the basis for the maintenance and treatment of patients. Materials for basic research and education, for regular payment, for healthy service, and for preparing health statistics serve as a plan to store drugs. The background service the patient's strengths. The function of consulting is to provide education to clients what are their rights and obligations. The function of the nurses station is to provide care to patients. Nursing unit. The function of pharmacy is the management and distribution of drugs and health supplements. The function of medical record is the maintenance and treatment of patients' evidence in legal cases. Materials for research and education. Unit administration. The function of the health room is a place to rest doing a task from the hospital. The secretariat room serves as a source of information that by the leadership in fulfilling the function of duties and responsibility as room staff function is where all medical records are gathered, housekeeping and technical ambulance. Warehouse is prioritized from emergent patients to refer ambulance are ready for the 24 hours. The general warehouse function prepares go out here. They are still in the form of raw or gray materials in process or ready to be distributed. Mechanism function is used to analyze the structure of the medical construction that is exposed to the force. There are Angimelian lubis SPOG obstetrician, Prof. Dr. Asil Emanuel A. SP A. Pediatrician, Grad Dent SP of HT Almologis, Dr. Agung Modan Patin SP BS Neurosurgeon, Dr. Andre Lengkong Spot Orthopedic, Dr. Rudi Hartoyo SP KK Dermatologis, Dr. A. M. Oni Widjak Sono SP JP Hair Doctor, Dr. Dani J. Purwatono SPKK Kanker Dokter, Dr. Andrian Marisa Tauran SP Lung Dokter, Dr. Martina Yuliana SP PD Finamsim Intersit, The function of the obstetrician to deal with health problem is very important in life in addition to examining pregnant and helping the deliver obstetrician can pregnant control. The function of children's special deals with children's development and care and diagnose and treat disease in children. 2. Function of facial skill diagnose, preventing and treating age diseases and visual disorder and condition medical procedures including operation. The function of different special nerves that can diagnose, provide treatment, and from operation to deal with distributing the central nervous system and the spinal nerves. The function of the bone specialist has skill in suffering injuries from sport or diagnosing and providing treatment in muscle and nerve tendon bone diseases. The function of specialist doctor knows in-depth knowledge of the prevention of diagnosis and treatment of various cardiovascular diseases ranging from high blood pressure to a heart attack. The function of the cancer specialist is also responsible for providing medical treatment recommendation according to the patient's requirement. The function of a pulmonist is to diagnose and determine the right type of treatment for various problems in the respiratory system. The function of an internal disease specialist is to monitor any condition with the heart if necessary, the treatment upon regularly to optimize symptom management. The function of a dermatologist to treat for skin and venereal diseases in women and men. For brother and sister who are still confused about finding a college campus, let's come and register in the Manado Development University campus. That's my brief percentage.